Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making English Rose Soap. These are the colors I'll be using. This soap is going to be part of the Spring Fling collection, which will be available on April 1st. And this is the lye water going in. All the base oils I use are vegan and organic. We're just going to blend this together. I'm going to be dividing this into two different colors. This little bit I'm pouring off here is going to be for the pink. And I'm going to add in the white, and I'm going to blend that in. Those little cups that I'm using are biodegradable and reusable. This is the fragrance going in. This has a really nice rose scent to it. It has a very rich and very deep rose scent. I really like this one a lot. Now, rose will accelerate the batter, so I'm just doing a little bit of a quick mix here, and then I will mix it in the rest of the way by hand. I don't want this batter to get too thick too quickly. So here I'm just going to finish mixing this in by hand. I have to make sure that it's mixed in very well so that it doesn't separate, but I also don't want the batter to accelerate. Alright, and I'm just going to pour this into the mold, tapping out some air bubbles. And I'm going to finish mixing. I'm going to pour most of this into the bottom. This already looks really rich and creamy. I'm just tapping the air bubbles out. And now I'm going to add the pink to the top. I realize these little pictures here tend to block the camera, so I have a solution for that I'm going to be using soon. So you should see that in some of my future videos. Then I'm just going to do a little bit of a swirl here. And I'm going to scrape up the sides and get all the soap batter off the edges. And then I'm going to put a little bit more white on the top. And I'm going to put on this green. It's mixed with a little bit of oil so that it will stay nice and shiny on the top. I'm just going to put a nice swirl in there. And then here it is up close. I like that the green seems to represent the leaves on the roses. Here we are about a day later to cut the soap. This turned out really nice. I like how pastel that pink stayed. We're just going to slice this up into bars. And here's the first one. I really like how that pink looks with the white. It looks really floral and Very feminine. And this is the next bar. The smell is really nice too. It's an unmistakable rose fragrance. And this is the last bar. If you like these soaps, they'll be available on April 1st in my Etsy shop. I'll have the links down below. These are the last two little end pieces. They will be cut up and used for samples. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday. Please consider giving this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribing to my channel. It helps me out a lot.